A pre-owned 2022 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door truck has a four-cylinder, 2.7-liter i4 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Toyota is a great value with less than 38,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, Bluetooth, and Sirius satellite radio. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.